How to change graphics in Snake Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, we can see this settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So now, we in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and can even customize it. Here on the bottom, there's a section of graphics. Now, there are different graphic modes that are available. In order to change the graphics, here simply tap on it and there are different modes available: low, medium and high. Now, it's up to your mobile compatibility also. So select the one that you prefer and at last you can simply go back and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.